Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We have completed two chapters of our FA2 syllabus. Today we are going to start our last chapter, our body and its parts. Okay, you all know that who have created us, who have given us a perfect body so that we can work all the works. It's Allah. Yes, Allah Pak has given us a perfect body. He has made our body a perfect machine that works even when we are sleeping. Okay, so there are different body parts we have. You all know, you have studied in small classes. First of all, we will see that what are the body parts we have. First of all, we have hair, that is black in color, you all know, but here it is given yellow, don't mind that. Okay, then we have eyes. We used to see different things with our eyes, and we have ears to hear all the things. We have nose to smell. We used to smell the flowers, the scent of different beautiful flowers like rose, jasmine. Next we have mouth. I am speaking right now with my mouth. Okay, we also used to eat foods with our mouth. Then we have chin, we have hand, we have shoulder, we have waist, then we have legs also. These are all the body parts that we can see. These are called external body parts. Okay, next what we have, what we cannot see. Okay, these are known as internal body parts. Here you can see that first of all, in the top, Allah has given our head at the top of our body so that it can control all the works of other body parts. As you know that CPU is the brain of, that is why CPU is called the brain of the computer. So similarly, as brain is doing all the functions, here you can see that brain. You can't see a brain because it is internal body parts. It is inside our body and it has been protected by a very hard shell that is called skull. Okay, then we have kidney. Okay, this kidney is used to filter our waste products. Okay, these all body parts are inside our body. That's why we cannot see. Then we have lungs. Okay, and we have heart also. Let me see, where is the heart? Here you can see this one is the heart. Okay, so these all are internal body parts. Okay, my dear students, next we will come to know different body parts in a detail. First of all, head. Okay, you have head. It is in the eye. Just earlier I have said it is at the top of our body. The head is beautifully organized with eyes, nose, mouth. Just imagine if we don't have the eyes, then what will happen? We can't see the beautiful world. Okay, so then after there is neck. Neck is the portion that joins our head and our trunk. Okay, so and we can move our neck this side also. We can see other things also. So it is a very important body part. Okay, Allah has given us. Next is trunk. After the neck, the whole body, this portion is known as trunk. Okay, the trunk is actually the middle part of our body. Inside the trunk means outside, it is out, the trunk is shown from the outside, and inside the trunk there is lung, there is heart, there is kidneys that I have seen you just earlier. Okay, then is limbs. There are two types of limbs. First is upper limbs and then is lower limbs. Upper limbs are our hand. So how many limbs do we have? We have two upper limbs. Okay, and the lower limbs are our leg. Okay, now in the hand we have arm, we have fingers. We have to work, we used to work with our fingers. You must have seen, you must have studied in class 1 that we have different sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? You remember? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. What are they? First one is eyes. With the eyes, it is called sense of seeing. Means with the eyes we used to see different things. Okay, next one is nose. The nose is known as sense of smell. Okay, next one is ear. The ear is known as sense of hearing. And then there is tongue. with the help of, you have eaten sweets, it is sweet. You have eaten imli, tamarind, that is sour in taste. You have eaten chilies, that is quite burning our mouth. Okay, so different, with the tongue we used to taste the different food items. Next is, the last one is skin. That is another sense organs, and it is the largest body part of our body, the largest part, and it used to give us sense of hotness, coldness. These all are sense organs. Okay, so this here our chapter is finished. I will help you in the question answers. You have to read the chapter and learn the question answers properly. You have to draw the pictures of kidney and heart and lungs and all the sense organs. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.